In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PowerPoint, MS Word, and Excel using the run command on your Windows computer. This is a handy trick, especially when you want to save time or quickly access these programs without navigating through the start menu or hunting for icons on your desktop. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using the run command as a quick shortcut to launch your favorite Microsoft Office applications efficiently. To kick things off, let's start with opening PowerPoint. First, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard and hold it down while you simultaneously press the letter R. This action opens the Run dialog box, a small window where you can type commands to directly launch applications and settings. Right now, the Run dialog is waiting for you to type an instruction. For launching PowerPoint through this dialog box, you'll type in Start PowerPNT, that's PowerPNT with no spaces. Once typed, you can hit enter and you'll notice that PowerPoint magically opens up right away. It's a quick and efficient way to dive into creating or editing presentations without the fuss of navigating endless menus. Next, let's switch over to Excel. Again, you'll start by bringing up the Run command dialog with Windows key plus R. Now, this time in the dialog box, you'll type Start Excel. So just enter EXCEL right after the word Start. This little trick will open Excel for you, ready for crunching numbers, creating spreadsheets, or whatever fantastic data work you have in mind. Finally, let's move on to MS Word. Yet again, begin by pressing Windows key plus R. In the Run dialog box, you'll need to type Start WinWord. That's WINWORD after the word Start. Hit enter, and Word will promptly open, prepared for those essays, reports, or any writing tasks you're eager to get started on. Now, a quick tip, using these commands can become even faster with a bit of practice. The beauty of the run command is that it bypasses any distractions, helping you stay focused on the task you want to accomplish. Whether you're in a hurry or just love gaining maximum efficiency from your tools, this little trick is a great addition to your Windows skill set. And there you have it, a straightforward way to quickly open PowerPoint, Excel and Word using the run command. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Feel free to drop any questions you might have in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and handy tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy productivity.